everyone, welcome to Opportunities Circle, the #1 opportunities discovering platform. We are back with another video. In this application guide video, we will give you details about the State Bank of Pakistan merit scholarships for Pakistani students. This is the golden opportunity for Pakistani students. If you want to apply for the scholarship program, click on the link given in the description section of the video and then follow the steps provided in the video to apply for the scholarship program. Applications are now open for the State Bank of Pakistan merit scholarship. Yes, you read it right. Scholarships are offered to Pakistani students for the academic year 2021. The scholarship will be awarded based on merit basis for undergraduate and postgraduate students. The State Bank of Pakistan aims to help the talented and outstanding students of Pakistan who cannot afford higher education expenses and are determined to complete higher studies. The scholarships will be offered for financial assistance of the children of retired, serving, or deceased employees who want to pursue intermediate, graduation, or postgrad studies. Students who want to apply for the scholarship must be enrolled in college, university, or technical training institutes recognized by the relevant authority. A limited sum of money will be provided that can be used for academic purposes. Applicants must meet the eligibility criteria and they must have obtained specific grades or GPA to apply for the SBP merit scholarship. So if you are eligible for this scholarship or know someone in your community who needs financial help to pursue studies, share this opportunity and help the community grow. The deadline for the scholarship program is 30th June 2021. The eligibility criteria to apply for the scholarship program is: the applicant must not receive any other scholarship awards. Applicant must be a child of SBP employee enrolled in a college, university, or technical institute not before 2019. Applicants must mention the duration of the program in the form. Applicants must provide previous academic records such as relevant certificate or transcripts. Children of State Bank of Pakistan employees who passed the previous exam within a year with a minimum of 60% will be awarded the scholarship. The minimum duration of the study program must be 6 months. The application process for the scholarship program is pretty simple. You have to download the application form from the website by clicking on the Apply Now button and send the completely filled form to Mr. Amjad Ali, Senior Director, Human Resources Department of State Bank of Pakistan, II Chandigarh Road, Karachi 74000 is the postal code. Late or incomplete application forms will be rejected. To view the form, click on Apply Now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunities Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on Apply Now, the PDF form will be displayed on your screen. You can download this form by clicking on the Download button, or you can click on Print to print this form. You have to print this form and then send it on the address given on our website in the application process section. In the form, you will be asked to fill in the name of the employee, designation of the employee, place of posting, name of the student, relationship with employee, year of passing matriculation of the student, name of the institute, course of study being pursued, name of the institution where admission is taken, duration of the course of study and subjects taken, date of commencement of session, in case of retired or deceased employee, name of retirement or death, and their last place of posting. Then you have to sign an undertaking. You have to add in your address, your phone number, your signature, name, and relationship if the applicant is spouse, family member of the employee, and date of the submission of the form. After filling in the form carefully, you have to post it addressing it to Mr. Amjad Ali, Senior Joint Director, Human Resources Department of State Bank of Pakistan, II Chandigarh Road, Karachi 74000 postal code. Thank you for your interest in this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you and we will be back with more videos. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family.